Hello everyone, welcome to Chano TV. First question, what is the salary of the President of India? A. 2.5 lakh, B. 3.7 lakh, C. 4 lakh, D. 5 lakh. The correct answer is option D. 5 lakh. Next question, who has given the title Rashtrapita to Mahatma Gandhi? A. Bhagat Singh, B. Jawaharlal Nehru, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Rabindranath Tagore. The correct answer is option C. Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question. Vallam Kalli is a traditional boat racing game played in which state? A. Kerala, B. Karnataka, C. Pondicherry, D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option A. Kerala. Next question. In which state is the Sun Temple Konark located? A. Goa, B. Assam, C. Sikkim, D. Odisha. The correct answer is option D. Odisha. Next question. Which India state's tagline is Heart of Intractable India? A. New Delhi, B. Rajasthan, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Maharashtra. The correct answer is option C. Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Krishna River is originated from which Indian state? A. Rajasthan, B. Maharashtra, C. Uttarakhand, D. Karnataka. The correct answer is option B. Maharashtra. Next question. In which year the capital of India shifted from Kolkata to Delhi? A. 1905, B. 1911, C. 1947, D. 1950. The correct answer is option B. In the year 1911. Next question. What is the motto of the Indian national emblem? A. Jai Hind, B. Vande Mataram, C. Satyameva Jayanti, D. Sare Jahan Se Acha. The correct answer is option C. Satyameva Jayanti. Next question. Which is the highest gallantry award in India? A. Bharat Ratna, B. Arjuna Award, C. Paramvir Chakra, D. Ashoka Chakra. The correct answer is option C. Paramvir Chakra. Next question. Whose picture was there on Indian currency notes before Gandhiji? A. Red Fort, B. Elephant, C. Ashoka Pillar, D. Peacock. The correct answer is option C. Ashoka Pillar. Next question. Sabarimala temple is situated in which state of India? A. Kerala, B. Odisha, C. Karnataka, D. Tamil Nadu. The correct answer is option A. Kerala. Next question. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital city of which Indian state? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option A. Kerala. Next question. Ramayan is the national book of which country? A. India, B. Nepal, C. Thailand, D. Indonesia. The correct answer is option C. Thailand. Next question. Which city is known as the Sun City of India? A. Jaipur, B. Itanagar, C. Jodhpur, D. Jamshedpur. The correct answer is option C. Jodhpur. Next question. Name the book written by Indra Gandhi. A. Changing India, B. Young India, C. My Truth, D. Unhappy India. The correct answer is option C. My Truth. Next question. Which state is known as the land of rising sun? A. Assam, B. Odisha, C. Nagaland, D. Arunachal Pradesh. The correct answer is option D. Arunachal Pradesh. Next question. The Reserve Bank has introduced banknotes in the Mahatma Gandhi series since A. 1947, B. 1951, C. 1984, D. 1996. The correct answer is option D. 1996 series. Next question. Which state is the largest producer of turmeric in India? A. Punjab, B. Rajasthan, C. Pondicherry, D. Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option D. Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Who is the first musician to be awarded the Bharat Ratna? A. Late Mangeshkar, B. M.S. Subbalakshmi, C. Ravi Shankar, D. Kishore Kumar. The correct answer is option B. M.S. Subbalakshmi. Last question. Sundarban Delta is formed by which two rivers? A. Ganga Yamuna, B. Ganga Indus, C. Ganga Brahmaputra, D. Krishna Kaveri. The correct answer is option C. Ganga Brahmaputra. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.